I look like a mess right now. Not even a hot mess, just a mess. I just got off work and I don't know if you can tell. I'm actually very excited because we got these new work shirts yesterday in this beautiful sea foamy mint green color. And I was inspired. If like you don't know inspiration, I'm telling you, I was inspired. I'm like, I have to have this color on my head. Now, I did what most sane people do when they want to change their hair color. I went to Sally Beauty Supply because where else would I go? This was for Mardi Gras. Now, you know, St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so I'm kind of like want to go green for that, but also it's mostly just because of the shirt right here. So yeah, we're going to do that today. I am not really good at making videos, but I'm going to try my best to video the entire process. Now, yeah, I'm sitting in my car, but I'm about to go inside and do my hair. It's going to look so freaking amazing. I mean, it might fall out, but I'm excited to try it. If it falls out, I'll just wear my cap. You know, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Like, girls can be bald now. Everybody can be bald. Like, it's fine. I just have a fat head, so it's not going to look good on me, but it's fine. Okay, here I go. I'm going to try it. Bye. So this is my hair when it was, you know, lavender, and I'm just kind of like showing you what it looked like before. And then now I'm going to start bleaching my roots, which I'm putting my hair up for that. You'll kind of see in just a second that I cannot see the back of my head very well. My goal was to only get like the first ½ inch, 2 inch of new growth, which would be like my roots. But I kind of got it everywhere, so please don't judge me. I don't have a very good method for, you know, bleaching my hair, doing my roots, or anything like that. I just kind of do what works best for me. So I think what I'm doing now is called a soap cap. I'm not sure if that's the proper name for it, but you basically just mix bleach and shampoo. And I used it to lift the purple color from my hair, which I only left it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, 10 minutes maximum, but I don't think I even left it on for that long. The color lifted really fast. Yeah, I didn't want to put straight bleach on my hair because it was already super fragile, and I wanted to avoid, you know, any breakage like as much as I could in the like process. So that's why I opted for this method. So you can tell I definitely did not leave the bleach on long enough on my roots. They're still very red, but I was worried they were going to over process, and they didn't, so I guess that's a good thing. So this is just my brother and I mixing the colors. We used all Arctic Fox dyes. I think we used Aquamarine, Periwinkle, and Neverland. And we also used a little bit of conditioner to kind of dilute some of the darker colors. So I'm starting off on my roots. This is a mixture of Aquamarine and Periwinkle, and I want to say I think we did add a little bit of conditioner to this one to kind of dilute it a little bit. But my goal with this ombre was to go darkest on the roots and then lightest on the ends. So this first row was the Aquamarine and Periwinkle, and then for the next row it's going to be a little bit less Aquamarine and then more Periwinkle and a little bit of Neverland. And then for the next row it's just Periwinkle and Neverland, and then on my ends I did just Neverland. just going in with a little bit more of the aquamarine on its own and just putting that on my roots to darken them a little bit. I really wanted you to be able to tell that this was an ombre, but in the end, like, the colors still blended together a little bit too well, so you can't really tell that much that it was supposed to be an ombre. So this is pretty much the final result, and in my opinion it does look pretty good, but of course I kind of like it better when it's wet because you can tell the difference in the colors more, but when it's dry it kind of all just sort of looks like one color. To a friend's house to do her makeup right now, but I just wanted to kind of give an update on what the color looks like in natural, like, outdoor lighting, which today was a little rainy, so it's kind of overcast, but I really like it, honestly. I think I did okay, you know, for having done it myself. It's a lot more blue than I would have, you know, anticipated, but it looks okay. This is only my second time doing, like, all over color, and, like, my first time, well, my second time technically doing an ombre on myself, but I'm really happy with it, and I think that's what's important. Like, I don't feel embarrassed to walk out in public with my hair like this, so I think, you know, that's the end goal right there, and I think I did okay. But yeah, so this is it, and I'm super happy with it. This is kind of what it looks like underneath. Like, it's more, you can tell underneath that there's more of, like, an ombre going on, but, like, on top where I feel like I focused more, like, you can't really tell. But yeah, underneath you can kind of see the difference. But yeah, anyways, I am pretty pleased with myself. All right, so it's a little bit later at night. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening right now. I know it's kind of dark. I'm trying to get some better lighting, but can you see this color? Like, oh my gosh, I'm super happy with it. And let me just gas myself up for a second, okay? I think I did a great job having done this myself. I've actually been doing my hair myself for a while now, but this is like only my second time doing, like, a full, like, fashion color, like, bright color. Like, I've never gone fully this before, so I think I did a pretty decent job. But yeah, and look at the roots. I mean, don't pay attention to this. My scalp is blue too, but that's user error. That is not the product's fault, okay? So I actually made a video of me bleaching my hair originally, and I was blonde for probably like a month before I went purple. But originally I went from long red hair to short red hair to short bleached blonde hair, and I made a video of that whole process. So I've just been, like, really lazy and haven't really wanted to, you know, edit it and, like, upload it. But if you would like to see that, I will totally work on that. I'm just, you know, perpetually tired. So anyways, but yeah, this is going to be the end of this video because it's getting late and I'm gonna go, like, take some selfies now. So yeah, I just wanted to, like, post my hair. I don't know, but thank you guys for watching. If you watch this and if you like it, then don't subscribe because honestly I'm not really gonna post that many videos, but if you want to subscribe, go ahead. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me and my awkward self. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.